Good day everyone! Welcome to the third week of quarter 4. Nahihirapan ka bang unawain ng ating lesson? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Huwag malungkot, huwag basta mag-copy and paste, magbasa, manood at matuto. Once again, I am Teacher MD. Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para mas marami pang estudyante na gaya mo ang matuto. Last time we talked about how to use dictionary, thesaurus, and online sources. Now we will talk about another concept. In this video, we will focus on technical and operational definitions. You have to learn this as you prepare yourselves in writing a research paper. You will be able to use your knowledge about these concepts not only today, but even as you move to senior high, college, postgrad, and as professionals. Definition of terms is one of the most significant parts of a research paper or thesis. It may appear in the chapter 1 of your paper or in the part 2 just like this one. Actually, it depends on the format that your school or institution will use, but the content is just the same. Kaya talagang mahalaga na maunawaan nyo kung paano ba sumulat ng technical o conceptual definitions at operational definitions dahil kasama siya sa parts ng research paper. First, what is definition? Definition is a statement that explains and or describes the meaning of a word or a phrase in a clear, complete, and exact manner. We define the words or concepts that we use to help the readers understand our paper or work. Remember that in the English language, a word could have more than one meaning, depending on the use and context to which the word is applied. May mga salita na maraming kahulugan kung kaya't dapat mong alamin kung paano ba ito ginamit sa pangungusap o sa isang material. As such, words like right, interest, work, and structure can have several definitions. Bilang mambabasa, kailangan mong alamin ang konteksto ng pangungusap kung saan sila ginamit. Bilang manunulat o manaliksik naman, kailangan mong ibigay ang eksaktong kahulugan ng salita ayon sa pagkagamit mo nito sa iyong pangungusap o research paper. Look at the examples from your learner's packet or leaf. The word slay is used in both sentence A and sentence B. In sample A, Iska wants to stop the alarming levels of hunt and slay of the endangered animals in the wild. While in sample B, the contestants slay their performance in the town fiesta singing competition. Kung titingnan mabuti, iba ang meaning ng slay sa sentence A at iba din sa sentence B. The dictionary meaning of slay is to kill a person or an animal in a violent way. Diyan papasok ang technical definition. When we say technical definition, it is the detailed and exact meaning of a word or phrase based on general references and sources from different fields and disciplines, such as dictionary, encyclopedias, and other sources. However, if you look at the context of sentence B, slay denotes another meaning. Slay now refers to a condition by which an activity or performance is done in an excellent manner. Dito naman papasok ang operational definition. It is the meaning of the word or phrase when it is applied in a specific context or when it is used to describe the term utilized in a research paper. Don't be confused dahil pag sinabi nating technical definition, galing ito sa general references tulad ng dictionary, encyclopedia, books, or other sources. At pag sinabing operational, ay ang researcher mismo ang magsusulat ng definition base sa kung paano ito ginamit sa kanyang research paper. Another thing, technical definition provides the general meaning of the word or term, kumpara sa operational definition na contextual meaning ang ibinibigay. Ibig sabihin, ang definition ay para lang sa research paper o kasalukuyang konteksto kung saan ginamit ang salita o term. These are examples of definitions from an actual research paper. So there is an introductory statement first. For better understanding of the study, some words or phrases are defined by the researcher operationally. So meaning, researcher mismo ang sumulat ng definition. You can also write technical definition or you can also include technical definitions here, but you have to include your sources. So for example, if the definition is from a dictionary, you have to include the dictionary reference. Examples include competency and content analysis. Note that the definitions were formulated by the researcher herself. The terms must be alphabetically arranged as well. Look at the second set of examples. The researcher defined the words or term acquisition, economic factors, and home background. The three terms were defined operationally by the researcher. Ano-ano ba ang dapat nating i-define? First, special words in our research title. For example, your title is Content Analysis of Daily Lesson Logs or DLLs in English 8. You have to include the terms content analysis and daily lesson logs in the definition of terms. Hindi mo na kailangan i-define ang term na English since very common naman ito at wala itong special meaning sa iyong research paper. Second, technical terms used in our paper. For example, the acronym or the term daily lesson log. You have to spell DLL out as daily lesson log, then define it. Technical term siya kasi ginamit ang term na ito sa field of education. Maaaring maunawaan agad ng kapwa-guro ang acronym na DLL, ngunit alalahanin mong may iba pang pwedeng magbasa ng iyong research paper kung kaya dapat mo itong ipaliwanag kung ano ba ang kahulugan ng DLM or daily lesson log. Third, words for treatment or measurement. These are data analysis terms. Ito ang mga ginamit o gagamitin mo para makuha ang resulta ng iyong pananaliksik. For example, the term mean, or the term median, or the term association. Now, let me explain some tasks in your learner's packet or LEAP. In the engagement part, you have to read a sample abstract, then provide the technical and operational definitions of the words media, body image satisfaction, adolescence, influence, relationship, measures, and respondents. So the title of the abstract or the paper is Influence of Media on Body Image Satisfaction Among Adolescents. Tulad ng mga ipinaliwanag ko kanina, maaari niyong kunin ang technical definition sa general references tulad ng dictionary, encyclopedia, books, or online sources. Paano naman ang operational definitions? Kailangan niyong bigyang kahulugan ang salita ayon sa pagkakagamit nito sa abstract ng research paper na inyong binasa. Maaaring nakapattern ito sa technical definitions, ngunit dapat ay mas malinaw at naaayon sa konteksto ng inyong binasa. For example, the word is media. What is its dictionary meaning? Its dictionary meaning is what you may write under the technical definition. So, yun yung ilalagay nyo under the technical definition. Then, read the abstract. The media plays a large role in how teenagers view themselves by shaping images of what teenagers are supposed to be or do. Ngayon, ano ang kahulugan ng media ayon sa pangungusap na aking binasa or ayon sa pagkakagamit nito sa research paper na ating binasa? Iyon naman ang isusulat mo sa operational definition. Malinaw ba? Remember, definitions facilitate understanding. Ang pagbibigay ng definitions ay mas makatutulong sa mambabasa upang mas maunawaan ang iyong nilalaman ng research paper. It is the duty of any writer to define significant terms accurately to avoid confusion or misconception on the part of the readers. Bilang manunulat, nararapat na mas ipaunawa mo ang mga terminong iyong ginamit upang maiiwas sa kalituhan o maling pagkaunawa ang iyong mambabasa. One characteristic of a good research is when it contains information which are clear, accurate, and reliable. Hindi mo kinakailangan ng mabubulaklak na salita sa pagsulat ng research paper. Kailangan lang na maging malinaw, tumpak, at mapagtitiwalaan ang mga impormasyon na iyong ipepresenta. Regarding the assessment part, you have to read and analyze the 8 sentences and decide whether each is true or false. You have to write technical if it is true and operational if it is false. Kung operational ang inyong sagot, kailangan yung guhitan ang salita o mga salita na nagpamali sa pangungusap. Basahing mabuti ang mga pangungusap upang makuha ang mga tamang kasagutan. Statement number 1. Definitions guide readers to understand the thought and idea presented in any material. Ang definition ang nag-guide sa mambabasa upang maunawaan ang impormasyon na ipinepresenta sa isang material or research paper. Ito ba ay tama o mali? So, is your answer technical or operational? Number 2. Technical definitions are created to create clarity and avoid confusion on the part of the readers. Ito ba ang layunin ng technical definitions? So is it true or false? Number 3. Operational definitions contain reliable and specific meaning of a word or phrase based on general references. Ang operational definitions ba ay galing sa general references? And then number 4, mental health is a person's condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. The sample definition is technical. Technical definition ba ang statement na aking binasa? Again, mental health is a person's condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. Kung technical definition ito, so you have to write technical. Kung hindi naman, you have to write operational. Number 5. A tantrum could include any time a child falls to the floor, cries, kicks, and screams in response to his or her denied request from his or her mother at the theme park. The sample definition is operational. Again, ang statement ba na aking binasa ay operational definition? Kung oo, so it means that the statement is true. You will write technical. Kung hindi naman, it means that the statement is false and you will write operational. Number 6. Operational definitions are essential in writing a research. This ensures that the readers as well as other researchers would clearly understand the variables used in the study. Mahalaga nga ba ang operational definitions? Kung oo, you will write technical. Kung hindi naman, you will write operational. Number 7. In accomplishing the definition of terms in a research paper, the researcher is required to define the term conceptually and constitutively. So ito ba ang paraan ng pag-define ng terms? Conceptually and constitutively. So if it's yes, you will write technical. And if the statement is wrong, you will write operational and underline the word or the term that make the statement wrong. And then number 8, definition is the basis and key component in establishing clarity and accuracy of content in any material across different fields and disciplines. Totoo ba ang statement na ito? If yes, you will write technical, and if not, you will write operational. If your answer is operational, don't forget to underline the statement or the word or the phrase that makes the statement wrong. Now, I hope that you're able to learn the difference between technical and operational definitions. Huwag basta mag-copy and paste, ugaliing magbasa at manood ng educational videos upang mas matuto pa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time!